So we got a 2012 Chevy Colorado. There we go. Just dropped out. Just got it to drop out. And this is just dropped out right here. So there might be something else going on. Verifying the input signal to the input speed sensor. This is the input and the output from what the computer sees. Right now it's working normal except for that dropout. And this is the, oh, there it is. There it is, dropped out again. That's awesome. Now we know the reference is good because the output's working. And just, yeah, it dropped out. Very nice. Live on video. Found the internal input speed sensor. So it's underneath the valve body on the transmission. It's going to be a good one.